Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from gelainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful heart from strawberry. We need to choose large strawberry with even sides. I cut my strawberry in half, so both sides even. Now I need to slice it as thin as possible. With these slices we can make very pretty strawberry flower as well. After I done, I slightly spread strawberry before place on a plate. When my strawberry on a plate, I place it parallel each other at first. And now I'm ready for most important step. When I shaping heart, I decided don't speed up this process so you can clearly see what I'm doing and how I shape my heart. Strawberry heart we can fill with different desserts. On the photo, I place inside just simple cottage cheese for breakfast. It's really great design for Valentine's Day or for romantic dinner. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.